Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Corleone Giovanni experience, where rhythm is life, and life is rhythm. And it was my decision to communicate with the non-living. Witchcraft, voodoo, running from my magic. Yeah. Taking time out to create your own voodoo dolls, your own servitors. Taking time out to do that is a pivotal part of your witchcraft. You create a psychic link between the doll you create. This is custom. This is a custom one with the satanic symbol up top, red and black. It's a combination of like an evil pig, a donkey, kind of combination animal. Yeah. You enchant the doll with your energy. You touch it with the right hand. And you push your intention into the doll. You push your intention into the doll. You name it. You spend time with it. You anoint it with your power. Pushing energy with your right hand into the doll. Pulling energy from the atmosphere with the left hand. Pushing it into the doll. Naming your doll, giving it attributes and different powers. Putting the influence of the cosmos, the influence of the infernal empire into your doll. Dealing with necromancy. Tapping into the frequency of your ancestors. Like really tapping into the frequency. Getting skulls and pulling the energy from the skulls. Real skulls. Authentic occult implements. See, when y'all get your occult implements, you gotta be very careful, man, because you might not get the right energy on the item that you're getting. Be very careful wherever you get your spiritual items. A lot of places that you would order your spiritual items from, you don't know where it's coming from. There's a lot of evil people in witchcraft, spirituality, the occult. There's a lot of evil people that play games. There's a lot of psychic vampirism going on. And people enchant and anoint with their energy a lot of the items that you'll go on the internet and order. Be very careful. Wipe your items down with Florida water. Put your hands on your items. Put your hands on your spiritual items. Okay, put your hands on them and push your energy. Visualizing a ball of white light, that pure light coming directly from the cosmos, activating your melanin, pulling through that light and visualizing, pushing peace, prosperity, and abundance into all of your spiritual implements. These are implements from a magical scepter, magic wand. This has so much power in it that if I point it at you, you'll feel like heat on you, because this is anointed with like several demons and angels. This is for healing, or this is for chastising. You'll learn all about that kind of shit when you become a student. You have to become comfortable with pushing your energy into the items that you deal with in your spiritual life. Gotta push your energy into your items. You've got to become comfortable with pushing your energy into your own specific items. Got to become comfortable. You must start really customizing your own rituals, getting your hands on your own implements, your own dolls. See, he got the wings and everything. See, this custom. You can holler at me for the custom voodoo dolls, however you want them to look. Or even better yet, just ask me for one and tell me what type of spiritual work you want to do with it. Whether you want it to be made in the likeness, well, not so much the physical likeness, but an open energy in the doll for you to be able to put a person's name on it and do healing, or to get on their ass in a certain kind of way. I suggest you get a standard custom doll from me and let me put something together, and just trust me. After we have the consultation and I get your specific information, and I'll make something very custom for what you're trying to do, and you'll get a free session, and I'll show you how to enchant it and anoint the doll. Stay focused, stay spiritual, and stay dangerous. We are in spiritual warfare, and not a physical war. This is a silent, unseeable war. And it better become your decision to start communicating with the non-living, the unseen, and fight your battles that way. ColeonGiovanni@gmail.com. Holla at me. Book a consultation. Get you one of these servitors. Voodoo dolls, if you want to call them that. These are servitors. Custom enchanted spirit dolls that you can use to enchant others and to cast your will upon the universe, anointing the doll the way your body has been anointed with your spirit. You can become the spirit and the soul of your own spirit doll, your servitor. The rest of the information, gotta be a student to get all that other shit. But I bless y'all every day with bits and pieces. Holla at me.